Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by backing up your project to a separate folder and version control. This prevents accidental loss during pipeline conversion and keeps a safe restore point. Open Unity and use the Package Manager to install either Universal Render Pipeline or High Definition Render Pipeline. Choose URP for mobile and broad compatibility or HDRP for high fidelity on powerful hardware. Create a new pipeline asset from the package templates and save it in your Project Assets folder. Run the Render Pipeline Converter tool to upgrade project materials and shaders. The tool replaces built-in shaders with pipeline-compatible equivalents automatically in most cases. Review materials manually where converters cannot map custom shaders correctly. Reassign or convert materials that used surface shaders to the correct URP or HDRP shader graphs. After conversion, rebake lighting and update reflection probes to ensure accurate illumination and reflections across scenes. Test the converted project in the editor and on target devices immediately after conversion. Use the Unity profiler to capture frame timings and identify GPU or CPU bottlenecks. Tweak pipeline asset settings such as shadow distance, lighting quality, and MSAA to improve performance and visual quality balance. Verify post-processing volumes and HDR color spaces are configured correctly for your chosen pipeline. Finally, set platform-specific graphics and quality settings and build a test player for final validation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.